Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how you can design Harry Potter scoreboard using Bootstrap 5. So I've added 4 cards with image, heading and a paragraph, and each card have this tilt effect in it, and there is some animation in the heading. So first you have to go to official documentation of Bootstrap 5.3, and under component section you will find one card option. Click on that. If you'll scroll down a bit, we are going to pick the first template. So all you have to do is copy to clipboard and go to your favorite text editor. So in my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. I have all these extensions installed. So first I'm going to create one main.html. Here we have a basic template. Let's have a class name Harry Potter. And I'm going to follow the crate layout. So these are the classes which I'll be adding. For 4 different sections. Now I'll just paste the template. Let's format it a bit. Now I'll go live. So this card template won't work until we have CSS link in our HTML script. So we'll go to the introduction section, and here we have the link for Bootstrap 5. I'll just copy this and paste it in the head section. Okay, row has to be in another div, so I'll just remove row from all these divs. Okay, and I'll paste it here. I'm going to remove this go somewhere button from all these sections as well, because I don't want them. I'm going to add the images here. And going to edit the card text. You can find the images and the text in my GitHub repo. I'll share the link in the description. For all the cards, you can have whatever content you want, but make sure the image size is same and the content is almost same so that it looks little aligned. So this is what it looks like after changing the header, paragraph, and the images. And if we check the responsiveness, so yeah, I think it's working fine. Okay, so let's begin the styling. I'm going to add some space or some padding in the top, and I'll place this header in the center and change the font style and the color. Okay, so this animation part is done, CSS part is done. Now we are left with the tilt effect. For that, I'm using vanilla tilt library. This is the CDN link. I'll share it in the description. I'm just going to copy the script tag for it. If you want to know more about it, you can just go to this link and you will see a lot of features of it. So yeah, I'm just going to add this link in my code. So in the body section, I'm just going to paste it. And in all the cards, I'm just going to add two properties. One is data tilt and one is data tilt scale. And if we go back to the browser, we'll see the tilt effect. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.